kani atong simpleng paagi sa paghatag nato og pasalamat sa atong mga graduates no sa ato ang UBROTC. Since kini sila kanunay kini sila nga maoy mag draw swords during graduation, during tanan nga mga ceremony, karon ato na po ibalik nila nga sila na po atong tagaan or unuran isip graduates sa ato ang ROTC units and graduates pod sa ilahang academic course 4 years. Thank you very much, graduates, and mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Welcome to this momentous occasion, celebrating to our former ROTC officers and University of Bohol Reserve Officer Training Corps Unit, which graduated to their profession. Starting with Sergeant Aldrin P. Pahamuta, a former Corps Commander of the school year 2019-2020 and 2021-2022, and also the Chief Intern of the Batch Corona of this school year. Sergeant Briggs John Medina, a former XO of the Alpha Company of the school year 2019-2020 and a former S2 of school year 2021-2022 and also a team leader of Batch Corona in this school year. Sergeant Michaela Cinco, a former S4 of the school year 2018-2019 and a former Core S3 of the school year 2022-2023.
Damosang S3.
Sergeant Sean Lloyd G. Arado, a former XO of the school year 2022-2023 and a team leader of Batch Corona of this school year. Thank you, sir. Private Junior B. Gonzaga, a former Bravo Company Commander, school year 2022-2023. He was also the governor of the CCJ and received cum laude in this school year. Private Hannah Joy B. Rondina, a former Core 7 of the school year 2022-2023 and also the team leader of Batch Corona in this school year. Sergeant Maria Villa Salam, a former Core S2 of the school year 2022-2023 and also team leader of Batch Corona 2022 this school year. Private Chris John Ryan Balduza, a former Charlie Company Commander and also the team leader of Batch Corona in this school year. Private Eric D. Albufera, XO of Charlie Company and also the team leader of Batch Corona in this school year. Private Darlene Nicole Cinco, a former XO of Delta Company of school year 2022-2023 and also team leader of Batch Corona in this school year. Private Marian Darrell Tare, a former Delta Company Commander and a team leader in Batch Corona in this school year. She got the cum laude in this school year. To the fellow graduates, I say this: the path ahead will not always be easy, but I have every confidence that each and every one of you is more than capable of overcoming whatever obstacles may come on your way. Let us go forth from this place with head high, knowing that we are prepared not just for the challenges of today, but the opportunities of tomorrow. Congratulations! Our journey is just beginning. Thank you. Mabuhay ang ROTC. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Picture with colors. Paano? Apel regob. Por favor.